back to my channel. 2021 is almost at the verge of ending, and as we enter in the year 2022, I want that to happen with a lot of positive energy, a lot of happy vibes, and a lot of stationery. So, in this video, we're going to talk about all that stuff that I've bought for the year 2022, all those things like planners, notebooks, journals, everything I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video, and without taking a lot of your time, let's quickly get into it. The first product that I'm going to talk about in this video is this Brusto Artist Sketchbook. It is in A5 size and has a 110 GSM paper with 80 sheets or 160 pages, and it is ideal for sketching and drawing. So this is how the notebook actually looks like. I have actually ordered this notebook because I'm going to be starting art journaling from the year 2022, and for that I'm going to use this particular sketchbook. I searched a lot on Amazon and this was the best that I could find there. I found a lot of other notebooks as well, but the only issue that I faced there was that they didn't mention the GSM. Here it's 110 GSM, which is pretty much ideal for me because at max all that I'm gonna do is use sketch pens or markers or stickers, which I don't think would affect the paper nor it would bleed. And so for my art journaling, I have ordered a few more products to help me with my art journaling. Two of them, which were stickers and washi tapes, were mentioned in the previous Instagram haul video. So if you haven't checked that out, go up to the I button and check it out there. And the next thing that I've ordered for my art journal are these Posca pens. These are 8 shades and the size mentions 1.8 to 2.5 mm. I really don't know what does that mean. I ordered this because I saw it on one Instagram blogger's suggestions, so I thought of ordering these. These were pretty expensive. I got this pack for rupees 1100. I know that it's expensive, but I thought that it would be a really good investment for my art journal, so I got these. The second thing that I've got for my art journal are these acrylic colors in 8 pastel shades, and I really love the shades, which is why I ordered this. Now what I've thought for my art journal is that I'm gonna make the background shade with these pastel colors because I'm a fan of pastels these days, and I'm gonna use these markers to draw some patterns or flowers and things like that on my journal. I hope this idea works. Another thing that I've ordered for my art journal are these flat brushes in different sizes. They come in 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. These are from Faber-Castell, so I don't need to tell you about the quality. But again, I've ordered these to use my acrylic colors because I didn't have flat brushes, I only had round brushes, so I ordered these. Another thing that I've ordered for my art journaling is this portable paper trimmer. So I had seen it on a lot of Instagram pages, a lot of people using it, and while you do art journaling, you actually need to cut a lot of sheets, a lot of papers and everything. So I thought that why not buy this and use it for my art journal. So I'm going to be starting my art journal from the year 2022, which is why I'm not using all these products right now because I want that new feeling on the new year and I want to open all of these things on the new year day itself. So I'm not opening and showing them to you guys. But definitely I'll let you know about the quality and how do these products work in the coming time. If not in a YouTube video, then definitely in an Instagram post or an Instagram video. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. My username will be mentioned here and also in the description. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is this. So this is a notebook from Factor Notes. It has a 100 GSM paper and 144 pages. It has a dot grid inside and it is A5 in size. I actually needed a notebook for planning all of my content, And also I need a notebook sometimes to just write all that I feel. So this one's mostly for planning my YouTube and Instagram content. I'm still not done with my previous notebook, but because it's new year I thought of buying a new notebook, but I'll begin with this notebook only when those notebooks finish. Now this is a beautiful notebook by Factor Notes. It says Private Musings and it has a very pretty sketch over it. I really love it and I cannot wait to use it. The next and a very important thing that I've ordered for this new year is a desk calendar. I think almost every one of us will order a new desk or a wall calendar. Now this one's from Bar Bar Dekho. I saw their ad on Instagram and when I first saw their calendar, I really fell in love with them. So the first page says what really matters, is it your happiness or everything else? I really love the whole theme which tells you to like prioritize your happiness more than everything else in the coming year. Next we have these monthly templates which look absolutely stunning. We have a different color for every month and we have a different code for every month. They also give you this blank thing where they have a different question for every month which you need to fill. And another important feature is that they mention all the holidays right here. So I really liked all these doodles and quotes that are mentioned in their calendar, which is why I decided to purchase this calendar and I think this is really worth it. Along with this calendar, you also get this sticker sheet. Now I'm a little unhappy with this sticker sheet because the size of the stickers is really big here. So I clearly cannot stick it over this calendar. Had the size of the stickers been tinier, I would have loved them. But definitely you can use these stickers to decorate the back of your laptop or maybe some of your notebooks or anything else like that, but definitely not using it on the calendar. But I'm really happy with the main calendar, so I really don't mind this. Along with this, they've also sent a beautiful bookmark. They've also sent this beautiful badge cum fridge magnet which says Dreamer. I'm also loving this. And another product that I've ordered from the same brand is this. So this is a spiral notepad which says don't procrastinate, and this is actually a to-do list where you have to mention all that you want to do in that particular day and then tick off if it's done. You also have a blank known as highlight of the day where you can write what was the highlight of your day, and also you have a scoreboard below which has different options and you can tick off according to your day. I really needed a to-do list since a very long time and I think this one perfectly fits in all my demands. I get this particular place to write all the things that I want to do and also a blank of highlights and also a scoreboard. I couldn't have asked for anything more and I think it's completely worth it. The next thing that I bought is this. So this is a beautiful pencil case and I was in a need of buying a pencil case. So I went up on Amazon to purchase this. Again, I did a lot of struggle to find a particular pencil case which exactly fits in my demand. I wanted something in cloth and something which has a nice doodle or a nice quote over it. So this is the doodle over it, which I absolutely adore, and this has one main pocket which is the bigger pocket, and then we have a smaller pocket at the back to store some of your essentials. So this is an all new laptop cover that I've bought for my laptop. Now I'll tell you a little bit of backstory for this. So I use my laptop a lot and not going to lie, I'm a very careless person. So I recently saw that my laptop had a lot of dents and scratches all over the corners and that made me really worried. So I decided to buy a fully hard cover for this laptop and it took me a lot of effort to find this online, but finally I got this on a website called Stair Labs, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, and they gave around 8 color options. This is perfectly plain in color, so they had 8 color options, out of which around 4 or 5 were out of stock, and out of those which were in stock I found this one as the perfect color for my laptop, so I got this. So this comes in three pieces, one for the front, one for the back, and you also get a keyboard cover for your laptop. Okay, now I'm going to share the most awaited thing of this particular video, which is my planner for the year 2022. Okay, so my planner for the year 2022 is this. This is a planner from the Art Loom. I saw their ad on Instagram and I instantly fell in love with the planner. And now I had a few reasons to buy this planner. Earlier for the year 2021, I had been using the planner of Alicia Souza and I was absolutely loving the planner. I literally had no problem with that planner, but I really wanted to change for the year 2022 because I wanted to explore the planners of other brands as well. And another reason to be buying this planner is that I'm also using a journal for this year, which is called the Jagruk Journal, and I've talked about it in this video, so make sure you check it out. So because I'm using a journal as well, my demands from my planner decreased significantly. And the planner from Alicia Souza provides you with a lot of pages, a lot of columns, and a lot of things to be filled in. And what I discovered was that half of those things were also present in the journal. So I thought that instead of investing in that particular planner which has so many sections which I'm not going to use at all, let's invest in a planner which is simple, which has a bit of lesser columns and is pocket friendly as well. It begins like any other planner with a page for you to write your name, and then there's a column called my biggest learning from 2021 and what I wish from 2022. Then we have a calendar for 2022 and we have a list of holidays for 2022. Then comes important dates section where you can fill all the important dates according to you, and also a vision board which I want to use very thoroughly this year. Next, we have a beautiful quote written, and then this is one of my favorite sections of this planner called Say It with Stickers. And they provide you with a hell lot of stickers. If I have to count, so we get a whole of 12 sticker sheets which have absolutely different stickers on each sheet, which is something that I'm really loving about this planner. So this is the Say It with Stickers page where I'm gonna stick stickers about me, about what I love doing, what I can't live without, etc. etc. Then we have a section called Grateful For. I'm also very happy with this section because this was not present in my previous planner, and this again will bring you a lot of happiness and positivity. And then we begin with the section called Make Your Dreams Happen, where you can write all your goals and then you can set your goals and make plans with these different sections present here. And then we have a page of recommendations where you can write what movies you want to watch, what books you want to read, shopping and restaurants. And then we have a section called This Year What Do I Want to Do, and then the actual month begins, which has a habit tracker, mood tracker, budget tracker, and this is the monthly template which I'm absolutely loving. It's so colorful and gives such happy vibes. And you can also mention all your monthly goals on the side of this template. You can also mention the goals and your priorities, agendas, to-do lists and everything. Then the actual month begins where you gotta plan all of your days. Now, one small detailing that I really loved about this planner is they have mentioned these small glasses here where you can actually tick off how many glasses of water did you have in that particular day. I really love this detailing. And then at the end of the month, they again have a page for monthly reflections, which I'm absolutely loving. This also comes with a bookmark with a quote written on it, and they also provide you with a nice cloth pouch in which you can store your planner. So this is it from my side. These were all the things that I've bought for the year 2022, and I cannot wait to begin the year 2022 on a very happy note, and I wish you the same. May this year bring you loads of positivity and loads of happiness, and may all your dreams come true this year. and a very, very, very happy new year in advance. I will see you again in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button.